So studying about the momentum will lead us to the second law of motion. Okay, so this is going to help us to study the second law of motion. Now what is actually second law of motion talking about? So here is the theory that the rate of change in momentum of any body is directly proportional to the applied and balanced force. Okay, if a body is actually moving with certain speed, now any unbalanced force is acting on it. Okay, so it is going to change the momentum of that body. You know that momentum is nothing but the mass multiplied by velocity, and I have given you the example of bullet also. Okay, so in that case, if a bullet is moving with certain speed already and some external force is applied on it, okay, that could be anything. Like if we are providing here shield, so that is providing a force, that force will work as a negative here because it is stopping the velocity of the object. Or any object can be moving itself, like a bicycle is ride by the person and there would be certain speed of it, and that speed will give certain impact on any object. Fine. So impact could be changed if the speed of the bicycle now going to be changed. If we increase the speed here in this case, so the impact is going to change. But the question is how we are going to change the impact of this bicycle, because earlier it is moving with a certain speed v1 and now it is moving with the speed v2. Now you can see that v2 is greater than compared to the v1. v2 is greater. So the impact of the same bicycle will be greater in the v2 condition. But for the change of the velocity from this position to this position, the bicycle rider would need to get more pedals. Yes, and that comes the force in the role. Okay, so this is why here in the second law of motion it is told that the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the applied unbalanced force. Okay, so this is how this theory is going to be applicable, that change in momentum is nothing but directly proportional to the force applied.